Hey everyone, in today's video we are diving into the career path of data analyst, what they do, the skill you need, how to get started, and how artificial intelligence is changing the game. Whether you are just starting out or considering a switch into data analytics, this guide is for you. Let's get started. A data analyst is someone who collects, processes, and analyzes data to help companies make better business decisions. They transform raw data into actionable insight using tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau. You will often see them working in marketing, finance, healthcare, or tech companies. To become a data analyst, here are essential skills needed. Excel is still a must-have for quick analysis. SQL for querying database. Python or R for deeper statistical analysis. Data visualization with tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Looker. Critical thinking and business acumen. You don't need to be a programmer, just comfortable with logic and numbers. You don't need a degree to get into data analysis, but a background in business, statistics, computer science, or economics helps. You can also take online courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy, or Google Data Analytics Certificate. Certification from Microsoft, IBM, or Tableau are also valuable. The typical career ladder for a data analyst look like this: junior data analyst, senior data analyst, data scientist or analytics manager, director of analytics or chief data officer. You can also branch into business intelligence, data engineering, or product analytics depending on your interest. Data analysts are in high demand. Look like in the US market, entry-level salaries range from 60k to 80k, while an experienced analyst can earn over 100k. Remote roles and freelance opportunities are also growing, perfect for working from anywhere. Now let's talk about AI. Will AI replace data analysts? No, exactly, but it will change how they work. AI tools like ChatGPT or AutoMail can automate parts of data cleaning and reporting, but human analysts are still needed to ask the right questions, interpret insight, and align data with business goals. Think of AI as a co-pilot, not a replacement. The best data analysts will learn how to use AI tools to boost their productivity. If you are starting today, here's a quick roadmap. Learn Excel and SQL fast. Foundational skill: pick a visualization tool. Start with Power BI or Tableau. Learn basic Python for automation and analysis. Work on real project, Kaggle, GitHub, or your own mini project. Build a portfolio, website, or LinkedIn profile. Apply for internship or freelance gigs to build experience. Start small, stay consistent, and you will get there. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe more tutorials like this. Drop your question or suggestion in the comments below. And if you want a deep dive into data science, AI tools, or portfolio building tips, let me know. Until next time, keep learning and keep analyzing.